In this video we are going to learn how to automatically generate all meta tags for a website, basically for every page of our website. So to do that, we have used the product sitemap of webmonkey.com. This is a e-com website that sells t-shirts. So we are using the product sitemap for generating meta tags in bulk. So let's start with extracting the URLs first. I have provided the product sitemap and the URL list going to be generated here. I've clicked the button extract URLs and you can see that there are total 55 pages in product sitemap, and we are considering 7 pages for this. Here you can see meta title and description generator. So this script or this sheet is going to generate meta title and description and all other meta tags that are used for SEO purpose. So we have provided the URLs, 7 URLs from the product sitemap or product page, and 2 keywords for each URLs. So let's start with generating the title and description. Hit click to generate title and description button. It will automatically generate the title and description for each page that you can see. And now we are going to generate all other tags like Canonical, OG tag, Xrobots tag and Schema for every page. So we need to define the type of schema. You can browse the type of schema by clicking this button. There are 4 types of schema I have used: local business, product, article and organization. If you want to create more type of schema, you can directly contact me on LinkedIn or just paste your a comment on my video so that I can help you out. So for this video I have used products site schema because I have products in the queue. Let's click generate other tags button. It will automatically generate all other tags related to those pages that we can use for SEO purpose. So all we know that on-page optimization is a critical task and we need to do it for almost every page of a website to better rank on Google. And here you can see that OG tag has been generated that includes an image from that page, from this page, mystical wizard graphic t-shirt. So here's the image, here's all other details like title, description, OG URL and OG type as well. So here is the canonical tag for this I have used. This is basically the page URL, and this is Xrobots tag that it defines index and follow for that page. So we have generated all the tags. Let's exporting to docs. Hit the button export to docs and it will automatically export it to a doc file which you can send directly to the developer or use it on your own if you know how to code. So you can see that for every page there is a structure I have defined with everything like title, description, canonical. All you can do is you can directly copy from here and paste it to your code. Another thing is schema, the most important thing for a product page. Here we can see that it has the image, it has the title description, it has the brand name on it, it has the URL and all other details like price, item condition and aggregate rating. Basically these are predefined metrics that I have used like price and title and description and aggregate rating, review count, all this. So let's move on to how to do that. So for extracting URLs, you can assign a button here. To assign a button, we need to click insert, drawing and shapes. From this you can take a shape and just write something over here with the text field, URL. So you can edit this also. I'm making it bold, making it 19px and color the button as well. So save and close. It has generated a button and I have custom script for that. To access the scripts you need to go to extensions, app script, and you can see the app script. I have basically used this script extract urls.js for this, and that has a predefined function extract URLs. You need to copy that function and make a new script by clicking the plus button. Name your script as you need. I'm named, and you need to delete this existing and sorry, and to copy the whole code and paste it right here and copy that function name and hit click save. I'm saving this script and just go to the button, three dot, assign script and paste it right here. So it has been assigned with the function that extracts all the URLs from the sitemap, and for the same generating meta title and description you need to assign scripts. You need to create buttons and assign the scripts within it. Like you can see that I have assigned script that is generate title and description. So within the app script you can see code.js that I have used generate title and description function that creates the meta title and description for every page. I have defined three different meta title and description written from my content writer and used keyword 1 and keyword 2 right here within my title tags and within description tag. This code will automatically replace the keyword 1 and keyword 2 here and write it to you meta title and description for every page. So you can use a combination of 5 as also. I have used 3 different combinations for title and description. That's up to you. How many pages you want to create depends on it. So for generating all other SEO tags I've used another script, that is generate SEO tag script. Here you can find generate SEO tag script from metatag.js. Generate SEO tag. I have used this script for generating all other tags within the website or within for defined pages. And exporting to docs, this also done with another script that export to Google Doc. Here you can see that export.js